Kelly Barlow Creations. If you're new to my channel and stopping by for the first time, thank you for stopping by. Welcome to my channel. Stick around a while by clicking that red button for more crafting on a budget, more everything on a budget videos to come. And if you click it again when the bell appears, YouTube will notify you every time I'm uploading a new video. If you're interested in following me on social media, you can find those links in the description box below. What have I got going on for you for today? Today I am bringing some of the new items and products that you can find at the Dollar Tree again here in March. They're rolling out some new spring items that are non-Easter related. They're restocking some of the old items that haven't been in the stores in my area in a while, which I'm really excited about. And I think just altogether there's new products that they're putting out on their shelves that I like to bring to you all. And I also like to bring to you some of the items that you can expect to be seeing in some of my upcoming DIYs. And so that's what we're bringing to you today. Alli is also bringing to you a kids Dollar Tree haul of some of the new items that kids can find at the Dollar Tree as well. So once you've watched this video, you'll want to head on over to her channel and see all the new items that you can find for your little ones at the Dollar Tree. I'll link her video in the description box below. Let's not waste any more time, like I always say, and let's jump into all the new items that you can find at the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna start this Dollar Tree haul off with my absolute favorite find this trip, and it is this new floral stationery set. It's been a while since I've seen a full stationery set at the Dollar Tree. This one comes with the notepad, the clipboard, a notepad and pen, which is amazing, and an 8-pack of note cards with envelopes. This is beautiful. It's a fun set, and I wish that they would carry more of these sets because I love them. It looks like Dollar Tree is rolling out a lot of new makeup, and LA Colors is one of those brands that seems to have a lot of new items out. They've got their mascara, they've got a big lash mascara, a volumizing mascara, a bold mascara, and one of those that is guaranteed to make your lashes look like wow. LA Colors has also come out with this new Mermaid Shimmer Shadow Pencil. It's a dual pencil with a sharpener on one end. It's got the coordinating colors on each pencil. I found it in 4 different colors. I am loving this brown and gold, so I picked up one of these. And of course, you can't do a Dollar Tree haul these days without showing some of the new Bolero products. Watermelon Mint sounds amazing. I found it in the oil and bar soap, so I picked up one of each. Now this Bolero product I was super excited to finally run into. It is the Coconut Verbena Shampoo and Conditioner. This is a nice size bottle, 16.9 fluid ounces. I'm excited to see how this works and try it out. This is one of those finds again at the Dollar Tree that when I see they have it in stock, I stock up on it. This premium photo paper by Polaroid. You get 8 sheets of 8.5 by 11 premium photoglossed photo paper for $1. This paper works amazing. I've used it in the past, so it is definite a must-have when you see it if you print out your own pictures. This was an amazing find. Nancy's favorite 101 Notions. This book is full of tips and tricks and how-tos for sewing and quilting. I kind of browsed through it a bit in the store before I bought it, and for $1, this is an amazing book, and it really has a lot of tips and tricks and how-tos when it comes to quilting. If you run into this book and you're new to sewing and quilting, this is a must-have. I'm always on the lookout for a good book for Alli at the Dollar Tree. This Love is All Around California looks like a really great book. It looks like it's age appropriate, like she can read it, like we can read it together. And since she does a weekly reading log at school, we like to mix it up a bit, and this just looked like a great book, and for $1, you can't beat it. While browsing through the books section, I was on the lookout for 2 hard-covered books that I will be using in an upcoming DIY, so I picked up these. And how about these new candles? These look pretty nice. I found a peppered plum, a mandarin, magnolia amber leaf, and this big sandalwood. These are gorgeous. They smell amazing. Found a new stencil by Jot. Loving these spin wheel stencils. This one has owls on it. Loving that because I love owls, so I can see that I might be using this in an upcoming DIY. I'm really liking some of the new items that the Dollar Tree has in stock right now, and I'm really excited to bring you some of the upcoming DIYs that I'll be bringing to you using some of these items that I picked up today. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to head on over to Alli's channel to see all the new finds that you can find for your little ones at the Dollar Tree right now as well. Please give this video a thumbs up, and let's get this video to 5,000 likes, because those thumbs up, they really do help my channel to grow, and it helps YouTube to notice me just a bit more. Until next time, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic day. Happy everything on a budget, and bye for now, everybody.